Hi guys, I'm a hopeless cook. My rice never turns out right. Perhaps I've got you here together today. Can you give me a few tips on how to make the best rice in town?
I think we can got some few good
Yeah,
tips.
we got a good. So you see, every Australian loves to cook rice. You know, it's something amazing. It's the best garnish. It fills our bellies and it goes very well
Full
with
of
curry.
nutrition. It's really, really good for us.
Open the cupboard. Very simple. You can find a mug, a little couple of glasses, or just a ramekin. The secret here is to use the same container or recipient for the rice and for the water. Okay. So if you get that much rice, just go straight to a saucepan. After whatever container you use,
Do water?
you need to use double of water. Check this out. You don't have to be the best cook in the world. Just need to follow this process. And it's important how you get the heat happening. Shake it, like a follow the pizza, so everything gets mixed up. High heat. And when it comes to the boil,
We whack a lid on it.
we put it nice and low.
Nice and low.
And let the magic happen. The steam will do the job.
Absolutely perfect.
And once the liquid is gone, perfect rice.
Really?
Nice, light, fluffy.
Well, you
Awesome
made that
rice.
look easy. Thanks guys.